Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create white lace effect in CapCut PC. Alright, I'm just going to import my photo. So I'm select one and add to track, and I'm going to add lace effect. So go to library and select this white screen and tap add a track and make it as an overlay. So put on top the photo, and then you can make it shorter, right? Make it shorter, and then you can blend. So just select the overlay, and you can copy paste, sorry, and give a distance. So copy paste again until finish the video. Alright, as before. Alright, here we go. Yeah. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.